Hi children, again we are continuing yesterday's class. You know what is yesterday's class? Rational numbers. What is that children? Rational numbers. You know, as usual, while taking class, I'll give one math trick. Today also I am going to learn 17 table. Are you ready? Yeah, this is Shanti Madam, Maths faculty, Chaitanya Public School, Uppnagaram, Visakhapatnam. Children, do you know first odd numbers? Do you know? What is the first odd number? What is the first odd number? 1,
3,
3,
5,
5,
7,
7,
9,
9,
11,
11. Okay, continue. 13, 15, 17, 19 and so on. Why teacher is saying to you learn or not, she is testing. These are useful for your table children. Now, actually this thought was not my thought. My friend, one of my friend, they are trying to make them to learn, their children in US, how to make them to learn this table. They tried. At that time they got some idea with some modifications. I am giving that one. You see children, you draw 3 boxes like this, 3 horizontal lines, 3 vertical lines. Okay, start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, first only we collected all odd numbers here. Do you remember? So you see, in this column we had to write odd numbers. Remember children, in tens place. Here even number, and here again odd number. What is the first odd number?
1,
1 is the first odd number. What is the second odd number?
3,
3. What is the next odd number?
5,
5. What is the next coming even number you should take? You should not choose a 2 as a first even number. You should choose only next continuation even number. What is next? 5 after what is that? 6 is even number. Next
8,
8. Next
10,
10. Next coming to 10 after immediate odd number is what? 11. 11 after
13,
13. 13 after
15,
what about one more 0 here? I wrote now. You know 17 tens are how much? 170. You see, first tell me the table. 17 ones are how much?
17,
17 twos are?
34,
17 threes are?
51,
17 fours are?
68,
And 17 fives are?
85,
17 six are?
102,
17 what is that? 6 sevens are?
119,
119. 17 eights are?
136,
79s are?
153,
17 tens are?
170.
But it is only trick. You must learn complete table. Then only it is useful in your calculations to make it easy. So children, you enjoyed how to learn this 17 table. You learn it, the trick. So let us move to our class. Rational numbers part. First part completed. Number lines, properties, types of rational numbers and all. You know, we discussed about rational numbers which we can be written in the form of P by Q. Those numbers are called rational numbers. So children, in this rational number, last set I said yesterday. Anybody can say? Yeah, fractions are the rational numbers which we can be written in the form of P by Q. Those numbers are called rational numbers. You will get, ma'am, what about decimals? Yeah, decimals also we can write in P by Q form. Now we are going to learn about the decimals only. We have actually 3 types of decimals are there. We have in this 8th standard, we have only 2 types. One is terminating decimal, another one is non-terminating repeated decimal. If you will go to 9th standard, you will get neither terminating nor non-terminating decimal children. So today we will learn only terminating and non-terminating decimals. P by Q forms I said now. What is the difference between terminating and non-terminating decimal. Why I am explaining this topic now? You know, it is related to your revision 1.3. Today's revision is 1.3. It is based on P by Q form of terminating and non-terminating decimals. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn that. I told before only we have in this 8th class we have two types of decimals: terminating and non-terminating. Terminating and non-terminating. See, here I am writing two fractions. How to divide this fraction, do you know? Yes, see the difference between these two. I will do actual division first. We will get decimals. Is it possible? No. Then you put a decimal and write 0 and 2 4s are 8. 0, 4 5s are 20. What is the remainder? 0 is the remainder. Coming to this case, next case also you see 1 by 3. Take 1 as a dividend and 3 as a divisor. 3 as divisor. 1. Is it possible? No. 4 for decimal place. 0. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 you know possible value is how much? 3 3s are 9. Again what is the remainder? 1. Again you will get 0. What is the remainder? 9. Again what is the remainder? 1. Again 3 3 is the 3 is a quotient. 9. Okay. Now these are their children. So it is now you got the idea about terminating and non-terminating repeated decimal. Terminating is nothing but when you will divide the numerator by denominator, you will get the remainder as 0. But here, see the quotient, always it is repeating. This value we can write 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3333 bar and so on. This one we can represent as a 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar. Okay children, now I am going to make you to learn terminating decimals and non-terminating. We can write in the form of, again in P by Q form. So here you got 0.3, 1.2 like this. One more is 1.25 bar. Okay. This one you know in your childhood you learn about the place values of decimals. Did you remember or not? Yes? Say yes or no? No?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let me try. What is the first place of this decimal? We will call which place? 1/10 or 10th place? 1/10 place, yeah, good. I am taking this one, write in expanded form 3 into 1 by 10. What is the answer? 3 by 10. You can write in the form of P by Q. P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. Q is the denominator. Okay, this one also you can write. For that, what did you observe? We have one small hint to remember. How many decimal places are there? You can write those many powers of 10. So we said, suppose one decimal you will write denominator as 10, two decimals you will write denominator as 100, three decimals you will write 1000 and so on. How many decimal places are there? We will write those many 10 to the powers. 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 square, 10 cube and all we will write. So children, this is easily you can identify. But coming to this is new to you. This topic is new to you in 8th standard. So I am making you to learn this one. You know what is the difference between here and here? What did you observe? Yeah, Varma, you tell me. What did you observe? Here and here. What is the difference you observed?
Terminating
and non-terminating. One more observation is there, you see? One more observation here and here.
Repeating and
Repeating and
non-repeating.
here anything I wrote?
No.
Here?
Bar.
bar is there. That is the difference. Okay, children. You and did you find the difference between terminating and non-terminating repeated decimal? Now we are going to write this decimal into P by Q form. See. So see, you take 1.25 bar. What is the repeated value here?
25.
25. Suppose if you will write like this, 1.25, 25, 25 and so on. So here one name is there for this. We will introduce here. You see the period and periodicity. Period and periodicity. Period and periodicity. Already during explanation, I explained to you children. You did more exercises on this also. You forgot, I think. For revision, again you revise this one. What is period in this case?
25.
25 is the period. 25 is the repeated now. So it is called the period. And how many numbers are repeating? How many numbers are repeating? Two numbers are, 2 digits are repeating. So it is the periodicity. Now let x is equal to given value. What is that? 1.2525 and so on. This is equation 1. How many decimal places you got? How many? 2 repeated. Periodicity is 2 now, so multiply by 100 on both sides of the first equation. What is the first equation? X equal to 1.25, 25, 25 and so on. So multiply on LHS. Know what is LHS? Yeah, left hand side of the equal to what is RHS?
Right hand.
Right hand side of the equation is equal to symbol, which is connected by is a mathematical statement. Any mathematical statement which is connected by is equal to is called an equation. So 25 and so on. So 100x is equal to what? How much you will get? How many decimal places? Yeah.
125.
Yeah, 125.25 and so on. So this is equation 2. Now coming to this, we have to solve this 2. Solve this 2 means which one is the bigger one? 100x or x?
100x.
100x is the big, larger than this x. So, did you understand what is period and periodicity? Continuation of this sum I am giving here. Here we are going to subtract 1 from 2. Subtract 1 from 2. What is the second equation? 100x is equal to 125.25 and so on. X is equal to 1.2525 and so on. Now subtract from this 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Decimal. Again, we are subtracting. So, 5 minus 1, how much?
4.
5 minus 1, 4. Here, 2, 1. 100 minus x. What is the quotient of this x?
100. 1.
1 is the quotient. 100 minus 1, how much you will get? 99
X.
So, children, you got one doubt. Teacher, why did you multiply by this? You know, first one we discussed about the periodicity. Suppose your periodicity is 1, how much you have to multiply?
10.
Suppose 10. Periodicity 3,
1000.
periodicity 4.
10,000.
Did you understand? Yeah. Now, what madam you said P by Q form, still it is in this form only. You take this one into 99x is equal to 124. You transpose this 99 to LHS to RHS. Transposing, you should use the word is transposing. By transposing, you should not say you bring, you take, like that words you should not use. In mathematical word is what? Transposing, shifting of a term either from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. 124 by 99. Is there any possibility to simplify this one, children? This fraction, any common table is there in both the numerator and denominator. If you don't know how to do this one, you see, you go for divisibility criteria of table. You know, you add these two. 1 plus 2 how much? 3. 3 plus 4? 7. It is not possible to divide by 3 table Last digit is 2, but what is this? It is divisible only by even number. See this one, it is odd number. Is this possibility? Is there any number? No, it is not possible. So you leave like that. Therefore, you have to write final statement. Therefore, P by Q form of 1.25 bar is equal to 124 by 99. That's all, children. This is the today's class, and basing on this, your 1.3 exercise is there. Don't waste your time. And in that 1.3 only, LCMs are there. Already you know that. You don't waste your time. Utilize your time properly and do well. And maths is very easy to learn. You love maths, then you can get easy. In easiest ways also I am making you to learn, children, in simple ways. You learn. I'm saying it is the main topics. These main topics are useful in your GRE, CAT, any type of exam in your future. It is helpful, children. Don't lose your concentration. So concentrate on maths. Mainly 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th maths are very important in your future bank exams and all. Any government exam, see your fundamentals only there. They will test your mental ability at your childhood. So concentrate, follow my classes. Thank you. We will meet in next class. Bye.